Today, we're diving into the world of comfort and capability with the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer. Known for its rugged reliability and premium touring upgrades, this motorhome-style conversion van delivers a perfect balance of luxury, practicality, and road-ready performance. Let's explore what makes it a standout choice in the world of premium adventure vans. Step inside and you're welcomed by a thoughtfully designed cabin that blends comfort with functionality. Premium leather captain's chairs, soft-touch panels, and handcrafted wood accents create a warm, upscale atmosphere. The lounge area features a large flat-screen TV, a premium surround sound system, and ambient LED lighting for a relaxed driving or camping experience. The kitchenette setup includes a refrigerator, microwave, and integrated storage, making on-the-road meals easy and convenient. The rear seating converts into a plush sleeping area, while the private enclosed bathroom option ensures added comfort, allowing you to travel with confidence and convenience wherever the road takes you. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer maintains a bold and purposeful design. Its boxy, muscular profile reflects GMC's commercial-grade heritage, while adding refined Explorer styling touches. The exterior features durable paint finishes designed for long-term use, along with chrome accents and Explorer badging that enhance its premium presence. Power side steps and roof-mounted accessories improve accessibility and utility, while alloy wheels add a modern touch. Built on a reinforced Savana chassis, this vehicle is engineered for durability, stability, and long-distance touring. Every exterior element is designed with function in mind, making this van equally suited for city cruising or cross-country adventures. When it comes to performance, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer delivers dependable power you can trust. It's powered by a proven 6.6-liter V8 engine that offers strong torque and smooth acceleration, ideal for highway cruising and carrying added weight. Paired with a refined automatic transmission and heavy-duty suspension, the ride remains composed and comfortable even on extended journeys. Advanced stability control and driver assist features provide added confidence behind the wheel, while the elevated driving position offers excellent visibility. This is a vehicle built for relaxed touring rather than outright speed, delivering a smooth and reliable driving experience every mile of the way. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 GMC Savana Explorer is positioned as a premium conversion van with pricing that reflects its craftsmanship and upgrades. With a starting price of around $180,000, it offers a more accessible entry into luxury travel compared to full-size motorhomes. This price includes custom interior conversions, entertainment systems, comfort upgrades, and Explorer's signature detailing. It's a compelling option for buyers who want luxury, flexibility, and proven reliability without stepping into $500,000 territory. To sum up, the 2026 GMC Savana Explorer is a refined and versatile road trip companion that blends comfort, durability, and everyday usability. It delivers a premium experience in a manageable size, making it ideal for road trips, weekend escapes, or extended touring. If you're looking for a luxury adventure van that offers comfort without compromise, the Savana Explorer delivers exactly that. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.